Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, a couple different ways you could look at this one. Today, yeah, not that great of a day, but looking at more than just one day, everything is still perfectly fine, and the price is holding up right above the area that you would want to see it hold up, and that area right here at $2.50, which is essentially where the price bounced off of several times today. So, I mean, you go through a quick little journey of the day, and, even going back to Monday, bounced. So a whole bunch of bouncing right around 250, which is good, which is definitely what you want to see. And the reason that level is so important, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to go down to 250 and then break down through it, twofold. First off, that would imply that, well, it's already broken below a level where it's bounced off a bunch of times. But the other level would be, well, now the price is also broken down below that 50 period moving average, which would not be good. And then both of those combined, and then, kind of just looking at it from a logistics standpoint, meaning, well, where would that put the price? Well, that would put the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of on Monday. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas, as of right now, what's still potentially and totally in play is even if the price were to come down here a few more times and it bounces around before heading back upwards, well, at least with all that price action, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, these stair steps would still technically be going in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. You want to see progress being made, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as that $2.50 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, you have those areas up there. But in all honesty, I couldn't really, to me, resistance levels just don't matter at all right now. Right now, it's all about, can the price finally at least start to maintain some of these gains? Because, you look at how it's acted, and it's been a very rough situation where, yeah, there's been times where the price has bounced upwards, but each of these bounces just continue to roll back over, and roll back over being defined as, being back inside of this area of the chart. So let's see if the price can finally stay up above that 250 mark or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.